Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna review this beautiful all-electric Hyundai Kona. So let me share a few quick facts about this Hyundai Kona. So this was the first compact SUV which was launched in India, and it is powered by 39.2 kilowatt of lithium ion polymer battery, which produces around 136 PS of power and 397 Newton meters of torque. Let's start with the exterior. In the front we have this beautiful split headlights. On the upper section we have LED DRLs, and on the bottom section we have the headlamps. In the middle we have this covered grille, which not only makes the car look beautiful but helps the car aerodynamically as well. The charging point on this Kona is located in the front grille. To open it, you have to unlock the car first and then push this flap in once and it will pop out. In here we have two sockets. The upper one is for domestic use and the lower one is for commercial use. So the domestic one will be provided by two chargers. One is the portable one, which we can carry while we are traveling, and the other one is the wall charger. We can permanently fix it at our home and you can use it there. And the commercial one can be used at the electric vehicle charging stations. On the both sides we have this air curtains which let the air pass through to make the car stable, and in the middle we have the air flaps which provides the same function as the air curtain. Side profile of this car looks as good as the front. The highlight, of course, are the 17 inches EV specific aerodynamic alloy wheels. We also have this automatic folding side view mirrors, and it also has the keyless entry system. Let me explain how it works. Now I have the key to the car in my pocket. To open the car, you just have to press this button once, and now the car is open. On the rear we have this electric badging which states that the car is all electric. Other than that, we have very stylish and sleek looking LED tail lamps, and we have turning signals and the reverse light on the other side. The rear bumper of the car is designed with aerodynamic wave shaped flow which emphasizes the distinct EV element. Alright guys, let's start with the interior now. I must say I'm really very impressed by the build quality of the interior, and the functions which are provided by the Hyundai inside the car are mind-blowing. Let's start with the steering wheel. As you can see, we have many buttons on the steering wheel, but the most important one are the voice command button and the one from which you can enable or disable the cruise control. The instrumental cluster, as you can see, is completely digital, and they have also provided 17.77 centimeters of touchscreen infotainment system, which is preloaded with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. My most favorite part in the center console is the drive mode selector. The transmission in this car is shift by wire transmission, so you have to press this buttons in order to engage. It also has the electric parking brake, and it has three driving modes: the Eco, Comfort and Sports. Also, the front two seats are ventilated and heated, and you can control them individually by the buttons in the center console. We have also got a sunroof, and the rear seats are as comfortable as the front seats are. Alright guys, let's take a short drive and let's see what this car is about. One thing I want to share is that the seats are really very comfortable. Let's start this vehicle. Wow. Zero noise at all, and the vehicle is completely silent. Let's put it in drive. Wow, so smooth. The throttle is really very responsive. 396 Newton meters of torque is enough to enjoy this beautiful vehicle. The brakes are equally impressive, and the steering feels so smooth that I can even turn it with one finger. As I told that both the front seats are ventilated and heated, and the driver seat is 10-way adjustable. Only the driver seat. The passenger seat is manually adjustable, and even the steering wheel is adjustable. You can change the positioning of the steering wheel according to your comfort. So this car has a very unique feature, and it is called regenerative braking. So what it does is, when you brake, the energy which is wasted while braking, this car can recycle it and reuse it further. So this car has a range of around 400 to 450 kilometers on a single full charge, but it varies from mode to mode. Obviously, if you are driving in sports for a long time, your range will decrease. So you must be wondering that the running and maintenance cost is very high on such vehicles, such electric cars, but let me assure you that the maintenance cost is really very economical. So for example, average maintenance cost of this vehicle for an year is around 7,000 rupees, and for 5 years it is around 37 to 38,000 rupees. So all in all, you're saving money on maintenance, you're saving money on fuel, and you're saving money on everything. And I guess this is the best part of this car. So that was my experience with the Hyundai Kona. If you want to book a test drive, you can contact Joshi Hyundai Chandigarh at 81950 Joshi Hyundai Chandigarh is the only authorized seller of the Hyundai Kona in Tri-City region, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and J&K. See you soon in next video.